everyone. I am Sunny Dejan from class 7.
Good afternoon everyone. I am Aditya Kumar from class 8. My name is Sanjay. I study in class 7. My name is Rakhaman from class 8.
My name is Kijupal from class 7.
Good afternoon everybody. I am Alisa Kamini from class 7.
Good afternoon everybody. Myself Pratik from class 7.
Good afternoon everybody. My name is Shubhila Kabachi from class 7.
I am Jinani Budhari from class 8.
Good afternoon everyone. I am Krishna from class 7.
Our topic is importance of reading in our life.
Reading is very important for all of us because if we will read books, so in 800 or in 500 pages we can read all the things a person have did in his or her life. If a book is on lifestyle or how to be successful or how the problems we can face, so all the topics we can read in book and in that 500 pages we can live a life of a person which he has written in that 500 to 800 pages. So reading is very important for us.
I totally agree with you. Reading is also important to do some studies and take a knowledge. For you go IT exam to read a book many times because you have a knowledge. Say exam was a general knowledge and book give a general and you read a book you live a many years before you die. Book give a successful man because you read a book, you take a knowledge and you do something.
I agree. If we read daily, so some word is likely that we know how to mean of that word, so we can find what is the meaning of that reading.
I totally agree with you. If we read books, so we can know different kind of things. If we are somewhere else, so we can read a book and know new things. In books, there are things in simpler words, and we can read it, and it also improves us, our vocabulary, our speaking, and our way of talking. Why? Because we know how to read this and how to pronounce it while reading.
I agree with you. You have read the book you are reading, so your vocabulary is very increased, and you have reading and your vocabulary is very increased.
I agree with you. Book you learn books and you have a knowledge without you think no what is translate of this, what is means of this, and what is the do thing to manage success. And one person who was success, he write a book and he was also part of the book. He did and he did as a success because without he book he did not take a general knowledge. He was take a school books. School books are always used and a library is a temple of book. You will go and take a general knowledge. And you also write a books. Writers write book for give knowledge. They will take deep. Reading is a very important in your life, in our life. You given in a paper, so you can learn question answers like reading. Reading is a very important. I agree.
You read book every day, so you have a knowledge of many things.
Life, we can read from everywhere. Like if we are going somewhere and there are some rules and regulations of that place, so it is written there. So if we know how to read, so we can read it. Like reading will help us in our future life too. Why? Because there will be not a person telling you like do this or do this. Like many places there are written the rules for anything they have to tell you. They do not tell you face to face. Why? Because it is very time consuming. It takes very time. Yeah. But if it is written at walls or at papers, so it is easy to understand.
I totally agree with you. Reading is the most important part in every student's life. Many people many people cannot read frequently, so they are facing many problems in their lives.
I agree with you. If we read, so we can know new words and new vocabulary. I totally agree with you. There is a great thought like a reader lives 1,000 lives in one life. Why? Because he reads a book.
I agree with you. And you go to some documents, you read the document and you give an answer.
you learn to read, you will be forever free.
Parents also read in morning newspapers.
I agree with you. In a you go to a foreign places, in a one place like Paris, write in a book and you read. You have no idea about to read. You not have a knowledge about this place.
I totally agree with you. Reading is an talent, like swimming, cycling, and other activities. It is also your talent, like you say. But reading is also a wonderful talent. You can learn anything by reading. If you want a proper description for anything, you have to learn anything. You want some good motivations for your life, so you can read it and you can apply it in your life. So reading, if you know how to read, it is very good for you because it is a talent.
I agree with you. You reading, you now are reading how to read. You have learned a good student. Because student read a book, you have knowledge to this chapter, this means, and your student not have a knowledge, he not do answer. He was do mistake in write the chapters, like and you will read English. You will read books and do your things.
I totally agree with you because reading is preferred more by listening. Do you know why? In schools also teacher gives us, like for example, teacher